GHSP has been around for about 95 years. What it looks like today is very different from its roots, but we're very proud of those roots. We're very proud of that legacy.
The evolution of GHSP from a stamping to a multi-industry company really started out with the electrification of a vehicle.
The transformation to digital or to the electronics environment isn't our first transformation. We've done it for years, and that's part of the culture and the DNA of the organization, is to constantly reinvent itself.
Going from a stamping shifter that controls a transmission via linkage versus the control of it via electronic signal drove the need to actually get into electronics manufacturing. Using that core competency, we could then shift to other industries that use that technology.
GHSP has an ability, and we continue to focus on this within our strategic planning process, of really looking at the megatrends that are out in the markets and translating those into core beliefs. So what do we believe in? To be agile, to change swiftly, and to ensure that our technologies follow that.
We don't really sit very stagnant.
But we're taking those capabilities and those competencies that we had in the automotive market, which is very aggressive in tolerances and performance, and we're applying in those other areas. So it's that innovative and engineering culture that we can really apply in other areas is really the advantage. We are an innovative company that needs to be nimble and move quickly, and we need partners that do that. QAD is absolutely a partner that conducts themselves in that way.
Yeah, we were recently awarded the GM Supplier of the Year award, primarily because of our ability to solve a problem that they had, taking that issue and applying an innovative solution to it over and above cost, quality, and delivery, which are all very important for a key customer like GM.
To have an organization that really embraces that innovation and gets outside of what they're currently doing is exciting. What will be in 5 years, I wish I knew, but I know it's going to be something pretty cool and exciting.
We are GHSP.
And with QAD, we're building an adaptive
Manufacturing enterprise.